Now, this is how you can arrange your apps in the alphabetical order on your Android phone. Let's get into it. At first, you might be in a situation where you just swipe up to see your apps and they are not in this alphabetical order. You can see the Play Store is right there, then the camera. So it's just like all over the place. So the first guess might be to just manually move them over to your screen in the order, but that's not ideal. Instead, just open up the app drawer like this, and next to the search bar at the top, you can find the three dots icon for more options. So when you click on this, you can see more options will appear, and there is a sorting selection or like option right there. So when you click on this, for me currently it is set to custom order, but I can make it in the alphabetical order, which is part of the built-in feature. And when I click on this, you can see that it reorganizes everything, every single application, right? And you can see everything is sorted the way that it should be. I can then come back to it like that, click on sort and return to the custom order. So a lot of times it's even simpler to do it this way because perhaps you cannot find your app like this quickly, right? You can see I have some empty spots right there. So, it is kind of all over the place. So that's how you can do this. It's definitely a very useful feature. So let me know below in the comments if you managed to make it work. Subscribe for more quick tips and guides like this one. And I'll see you later in the future videos.